So here we are at Winter Wonderland in Hyde Park, that there London, squirting everywhere and getting ready to do the Wild Mouse XXL Funhouse queue line extraordinaire. We climbed the stairs, we're gonna go get squished by some horses and stuff, so what a sound. And now we're still walking. Now we've got this weird sort of thing. Yeah. We have survived. Now, POV! And now we're going to go on some logs. Log. Oh, Jesus! log. What? Look. Get a flow. Now we're gonna see my belly going round and round, gyrating to the Egyptian sound. As you can see, the wild mouse. This is a conveyor belt, it doesn't look like it's working. That's sad. Now we're going into the unknown. Still going. Don't know what. Oh, Jesus Christ! Okay, note to self, there's a slippery fall thing that nearly killed me. And now we're gonna. Okay, these could do with a bit more lubrication. These have all been. Oh, Jesus Christ! Okay, note to self, these haven't been bolted, but that is the end of the queue. So now, click the link below and watch the POV.